The single arm behind the back cable lateral raise trains the shoulders, more specifically the lateral deltoid in its lengthened position. To set up, set the cable to hand height and grab the handle from behind your back. Alternatively, you can loop the handle over the back of your hand between your thumb and fingers. Next, grab onto the column with your non-working arm and take a big step to the side and a step in front into a split stance. With your working arm, pull your shoulder down toward your hip and straighten your elbow. You should feel a squeeze around your armpit. Lastly, create a neutral spine by stacking your ribs over your pelvis and tucking your chin. For the action, on the concentric, raise the cable around 30 degrees from your torso. Focus on pushing outward toward the wall. Only raise the cable to shoulder height or below and keep your hand level with the floor. On the eccentric, lower the weight with control, keeping your arm long and elbow fixed. Stop when your upper arm touches your torso. For proper alignment, maintain a 30-degree arm path from your torso with your elbow fairly straight and your hand level with the floor. Maintain shoulder stability by pulling your shoulder down toward your hip throughout. Avoid internally rotating the shoulder by reaching too far behind your body. And lastly, maintain a neutral spine and neck.